So friends, let us look at rules for creating variables in Python. There are 4 rules. The first rule is a variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. For example, age or underscore age. So these are valid variables in Python. The second rule is a variable name can only contain alphabets, numbers, or underscores. So for example, age1, age underscore 1, these are valid variables. The third rule is a variable name cannot start with a number. For example, if we write as 1 age, then it is not valid in Python. So the variable names are, the variable rules are same for other programming languages as well. It remains the same. The fourth rule is variable names are case sensitive. So if we write as age in small cases or capital cases, they are treated as different variables. So this is a summary of rules in Python for variables. Thanks for watching.